has this flange on it now, so I'm actually just going to cut this off of the stock. I'm going to cut this flange off here and put a V-band, and then I'll be able to put it all back the way it is, because I won't cut up any of the parts that I have on the car. The V-band on here, I'm going to weld it along the side, inside here, and then I'll massage it out over here so it actually fits in there. Piece. Alright, here it is all welded together. Still a little hot, so I'm not going to touch it.